A very good evening and Jai Hind to all my dear students. Children, in this module of class 4 we are going to talk about some of the very important and essential parts of addition and subtraction. So let's start the module without any further delay. As we all know that the numbers which are being added, they are called addends, right? And the answer of the addition is called sum or total. Likewise, if we talk about the parts of subtraction, so the number from which we subtract another number, that particular number is called minuend, right? And the number which is subtracted from the minuend is called subtrahend. And the answer of the subtraction is called difference. So I hope the parts of addition and subtraction are absolutely clear to you all, right? So we will revise it once again, right? The answer of the addition, okay, is called sum or total. The answer of the subtraction is called difference, right? The numbers which are added to get a sum, those numbers are known as addends, okay? And there are, obviously, if you are subtracting, so that means you will be subtracting a particular number from another number, right? So the number which is subtracted, that number is called subtrahend, and the number from which you are subtracting, that number is called minuend, right? So minuend minus we get the difference, right? And addend plus addend is equals to the sum or total. Now, after discussing about the parts of addition and subtraction, we are going to see that how we can add the addends, okay, and get the sum, and afterwards how you will be able to check your addition whether it is right or wrong. So here we have three numbers which are known as addends when we are adding them, right? So the first number is 3846. The next number, or you can say addend, is 1952, okay, and the last one is 3876, right? Now when you will add the addends, okay, so first of all you will have to arrange the addends, okay, in this way, right? Then you will put the sign of addition, don't forget to put the sign of addition, and then you will have to make an arrow which will go to which side, which will be towards down side, okay. Why is it so? Because through this arrow you are showing that you are adding all the numbers, okay, to down side, okay. All the digits present in the addends will be added to down side, okay. So let's start adding the addends. We know that 6 plus 2 is 8, 8 plus 6 is 14, right? So 4 carry over is 1, which I am keeping in my mind. So that 1 carry will be added to 4, okay. We will have 5. Then 5 plus 5 is 10, plus 7 is 17. So I have written 7, and 1 is again carry over. That 1 carry will be added to 8. Now we have 9. 9 plus 9 is 18, okay. And then 18 plus 8 is 26. So 6 I have written over here, and now 2 is carry over, okay. So that 2 will be added to 3, right? So 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6, and plus 3 is 9. So here we have the sum or the total, okay. We have added the addends downside. Now since you have already added the addends and you have got the sum or total, now the time comes when you will check your answer, and for checking the answer of the addition you will have to put another arrow which is going upside, right? And now you will be adding these digits upside, and you will have to check that the sum which you have got, right, of this addition, is it correct or not. So now after putting the arrow which is going upside, you will make a box just like this, just above the addends, and now you are going to add them upside, okay. So in which direction? Upward direction. So now 6 plus 2 is 8 and 8 plus 6 is 14. 4 I have written, carry over is 1 now. Now that 1 and 7 8, okay, and 8 plus 5 is 13. 13 plus 4 is 17. 7 I have written, then 1 is again carry over. 1 and 8 is 9. 9 and 9, okay, is 18, and 18 plus 8 is 26. So 6 I have written, now again carry over is 2. So that 2 plus 3 is 5, plus 1 is 6, and plus 3 is 9. So here the number which we have got is 9674, okay, which is equivalent to the sum. That means your addition is absolutely correct, right? After adding the number and after checking them, here you will have to mention that your answer is 9674. So dear students, this is all in this module. Tomorrow again I'll share one module with you where I'll be talking about that how you can subtract and the answer of subtraction. Till then, take very good care of yours. Jai Hind.